Very good morning, student. Students, in the last class, we have done our first algebraic method, that is substitution method, in which we use the concept of substitution. Means we find the value and substitute that value in another equation and solve that. That is why this is called substitution method. Substitute means put karna, that the value, putting the value of one variable in second equation. And then we have done some numericals on this, in which we first find the value of one variable in term of another variable. Say this, here I am finding x in term of y, and then we will substitute this value in the second equation and solve that variable y. And again we will put that value, that is numeric value of y, in first equation and solve the value for x. And then we have done some word problem based on this. We have done with two word problem. First was based on number system, and the second based on angle system, that is geometry. And for those students who didn't attend the last video lectures, please go through the previous video lectures. If any student didn't find the previous lectures, please message me on WhatsApp. I will provide the links and the notes available, which we have provided on the in the group. So student, now start our second method, that is elimination method. Elimination method is meaning eliminate, एलिमिनेट करना। यहां में इस मेथड में हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट करेंगे, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एलिमिनेशन मेथड। सो टू एलिमिनेट वी मस्ट हैव कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वन वेरिएबल सेम। सो फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द इक्वेशन बाय सम सुटेबल नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट्स टू मेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ ईदर वेरिएबल्स, इट मे बी एक्स और इट मे बी y, numerically equal. Then we will subtract and add the equations to get that one variable get eliminated. Then we will find solve the value for that variable and put that value in another equation. We will find the both the value of both the variables. For example, we have this equation, that is x plus y equals 5. We have equation x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 4. We have to solve this by using elimination method. Now our first step is to make the variables, the coefficient of variable numerically equal. If I make the coefficient of y equal, then here I have the coefficient of y is minus 3 and here the coefficient is 1. So to make the coefficient equal, I have to multiply this equation by 3 so that the numerical numerical value of coefficient become equal. So this is my equation first, that is x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 4. This is second equation. Now to make the coefficient of y equals, we will multiply first equation by 3 so that this will become 3y. Now multiply equation 1 by 3, you will get 3x plus 3y equals 15. Now we have to eliminate one variable. For this we will add or subtract depending on the situation. Here if I add this equation 2 and 3, this 3 equation is rewritten as equation 1 after multiplying this equation with 3. So we will compare this equation, that is 2 and 3 equation, this 2 and 3 equation. Now to eliminate, we will add this equation 2 and 3. If we add, minus 3y plus 3y will get cancelled out. This will become 0y and we will left with only one variable, that is x. So add equation 2 and 3. If we add 2x plus 3x become 5x and minus 3y plus 3y become cancel out and 4 plus 15 become 19. From this we will get x equals 19 divided by 5. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहला आपका जो स्टेप रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा कि आप इसमें से किसी भी एक वेरिएबल के कोएफिशिएंट को न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल कर लीजिए. To make the coefficient numerically equal, we can multiply equation, any equation or both the equation. We can multiply both the equation also, but here we need only first equation to multiply it with 3. So I multiply only first equation because second equation and first equation become coefficient become numerically equal by just multiplying equation first. Now put this value in either of the equation. Depending on your convenience, you can put in first or you can put in second. Now I will put this equation in first. Substitute the value of this x in first equation. Then x will become 19 divided by 5 plus y equals 5. Now y equals 5 minus 19 divided by 5. When you solve this, this will become 6 divided by 5. So x is 19 by 5 and y is 6 by 5. Now our second numerical is solve 9x minus 4y equals 2000 and 7x minus 3y equal 2000 by using elimination method. Now in this equation, to make the coefficient of y numerically equal, we have to multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 4, so that this will become minus 12y and this will become minus 12y. Now these are my first and second equation. Multiply first equation by 3 and second by 4. If I multiply first equation with 3, then it becomes 9 into 3 27x minus 4 into 3 minus 12y plus 2 into 3 6000. Now similarly for second equation we will multiply with 4. This will become 28x minus 12y equals 8000. Now we will check, we have to add or subtract. If we add, this will become minus 24y. If we subtract, this will get cancelled out. Now subtract equation 3 from 4. If I subtract equation 3 from 4, this means the symbol will get changed. Here this will become minus, this will become plus, and this again become minus. Now 28x minus 27x becomes x and minus 12y plus 12y become cancel out, and 8000 minus 6000 become 2000. So the x is 2000. Now substitute this, put this value of x in either of the equation. I am here putting this value in equation 1. Put the value of x in equation 1, we will get 9 into 2000. 9 into x means 9 into 2000, this will become 18,000 minus 4y equals 2000. And on solving, we will get minus 4y equal minus 16,000 and y will become 4,000. And this is x 2000 and y 4000. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले कोएफिशिएंट को कंपेयर कीजिए, किसी भी एक कोएफिशिएंट को इक्वल बना लीजिए. तो कैसे, माइनस 4y और इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन दिस इज माइनस 3y. टू मेक द कोएफिशिएंट we will multiply first with 3, that is this will become minus 12y, and for second to make 12y we will multiply this with 4 equation, with the this equation with 4. Now solve this, we will get x equal to 1000 and put this value of x in either of the equation. Now this is our word problem, that is if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1, means fraction क्या बन जाएगी 1. It becomes 1 and 1 by 2 means half. If we only add 1 to the denominator, find the fraction. Now we know that in fraction we have two values, that is numerator and denominator. So let the numerator and denominator, let the numerator x and denominator y. So fraction will become x divided by y, that is numerator divided by denominator. Now according to statement, if we add 1 to the numerator, if I am adding 1, that is in numerator x, x plus 1, and in denominator if we subtract 1, if we subtract, this will become y minus 1. This fraction reduces to 1, means this fraction equals 1. Now cross multiply, this will become x plus y equals y minus 1 and x minus y equals minus 2. This is my first equation. Now according to second condition, it become half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Now numerator as it is and in denominator we will add 1, then the fraction will become 1 by 2. Again cross multiply, this will become 2x equals y plus 1 and the equation become 2x minus y equals 1. This is my equation. Now we have two equations, that is x minus y equals minus 2 and 2x minus y equals 1. Now coefficient is already equal, so we just add or subtract. Now if we add, this will become minus 2y, so we will subtract equation 1 from 2. This will become, subtract equation 1 from 2, this will become 2x minus y minus 1. Here the symbol will get changed and this will become minus become plus and again minus will become plus. Now 2x minus x and y minus y plus y become cancel out and 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now x is 3. Put this value of x in either equation. We will put this equation in first, then we will get 3 minus y equals minus 2 and y will become 5. Now we have x 3 and y 5, but we have to find the fraction. If we want to find the fraction, we will put the value numerator 3 divided by denominator 5. स्टूडेंट ये राइट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट में कहीं भी हमसे x और y की वैल्यू नहीं पूछी, हमसे जो वैल्यू पूछी है वो फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू पूछी है, तो फ्रैक्शन अलग से मेंशन करना है, इसके हाफ मार्क्स होता है. If you not mention this, that is fraction is 3 by 5, then the half marks will be deducted in your final exam. So mention this separately. And student जो पेंडिंग न्यूमेरिकल हैं वर्ड प्रॉब्लम के, वो आप प्रीवियस वीडियो में से देख लेना, उसके लिंक शेयर कर दिए जाएंगे. अगर आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर देना, मैं उनको सेपरेटली लिंक मेंशन कर दूंगा, अदरवाइज चैनल पे ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है, आप चेक कर सकते हो. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.